हामिद रजा साहब जो थे कौन सी पार्टी से थे? SIC से थे?
जी SIC से।
उन्होंने अपनी पार्टी के प्लेटफॉर्म से इलेक्शन क्यों नहीं कंटेस्ट किया? कोई ऐसा आपकी क्लाइंट है, आपको कुछ अंदर की बात पता होगी?
मैं जब मेरिट्स पे आऊंगा मैं वो जवाब दे दूं। मैं जरा सा आज एटलीस्ट मेंटेनेबिलिटी कंप्लीट कर लूं।
जो बात आप जवाब अवॉइड करना चाहते हैं वो कहते हैं मैं बाद में जवाब
नहीं, मैं नहीं अवॉइड करूंगा, मैं जवाब अवॉइड नहीं करूंगा। मैं जरा सा मेंटेनेब, क्योंकि आज कुछ खत्म हो जाए, मैं सिर्फ ये चाह रहा हूँ, प्लीज। सो एंड वो जब मैं पढ़ूंगा जजमेंट तो नजर आएगा शायद बहुत सारे ये जवाब अब रेलिवेंट नहीं है, शायद, मेरा ख्याल है। The first thing is, and this is something which your lordships have asked again and again, as to what kind of relief can be granted in this review. Now, my lord, to me, there are 3 categories of relief which can be granted. One, of course, is that the judgment can be set aside. The consequence of that would be that the appeals would be dismissed. The Peshawar High Court judgment as well as the ECP order will be upheld. That's the first thing which His Lordship Justice Aminuddin and His Lordship Justice Naeem Bhagwan have done. The second thing is that the majority judgment can be substituted by one of the minority judgments. Now, there are, apart from the simplistic dismissal judgment of 2 of their lordships, there are 2 other substitute views. One by Justice Mandokhil and the other by Justice Yahya. So that's the second possibility which can happen in this review. The third possibility, of course, is, and which does happen a lot in review, is that the judgment is set aside and the appeals are revived for re-hearing. So let me just cite judgments on this. The first judgment is 2025 SCMR 257. If your lordships may kindly see.
इलेक्शन एक्ट देखिए।
जी सर, 2025 SCMR 257।
इसमें हमने वापस भेजा है?
नहीं सर, इसमें जो माइनॉरिटी व्यू था वो अपहोल्ड किया। If your lordship will see 268 side marked L, 1 लाइन ऊपर से पढ़ रहा हूं। For the same reasons as recorded in the minority judgment, we hold that the tribunal was not correct.
कहां से पढ़?
सर 268 में L के ऊपर वाली लाइन से पढ़ रहा हूं। For the same reasons as recorded in the minority judgment, we hold the tribunal was not correct and the High Court was correct in determining the receipts received by the petitioner for the lease of FLIC tapes containing computer software programs were not income from royalty and were business profits as claimed by the petitioner in the tax returns. And then therefore therefore we accept the present review, recall the majority judgment under review and dismiss the appeals of the respondent upholding the judgments of the High Court, which was the minority judgment. The second judgment, of course, on this is in which your lord, more expressly it has been said, in which a number of your lordships were on the bench, PLD 2024 Supreme Court.
इसी तरह हर तरह की लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स, ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ के लिए वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक कर दें ताकि आप रहें हर खबर से बाखबर।